In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Steam games. Maybe you're freeing up disk space or tidying a backlog. Either way, the process is quick and safe. Uninstalling removes the game's installed files from your computer, and in most cases, your saved data and achievements are preserved through Steam Cloud or remain in your user folders. If a game doesn't use the cloud, your local saves may still stay on your drive unless the developer deletes them. Start by opening Steam. Launch the app on your computer and wait for it to load to the home screen. If you see a prompt to sign in, go ahead and log in so you can access your library. Once Steam is open, look toward the top of the window for the navigation bar. You'll see Store, Library, and Community. Click Library to view the list of games associated with your account, including what's installed on this machine. In the Library view, find the game you want to remove. You can scroll the list on the left or type its name into the search box to filter quickly. When you've highlighted the correct title, place your mouse over it in the list and right-click. That opens a context menu with several options specific to that game. Take a moment to confirm you chose the right one, especially if you have similar editions or test branches installed. From that context menu, move your cursor to Manage. Don't click yet, just hover over Manage to expand a small submenu. In that submenu, click Uninstall. Steam will immediately prepare to remove the game's files from your computer. This doesn't delete the game from your account, only the local installation, so you can install it again later without repurchasing. If the game includes downloadable content, those installed components are removed along with the base game, which helps reclaim storage space. A confirmation window appears asking you to confirm uninstall. Read the prompt so you understand that the installed content will be deleted from this device. When you're ready, click Uninstall to confirm. Steam will run a brief removal process. Once it's complete, the game remains visible in your library with an Install button showing it's no longer on your disk. That's it. You've uninstalled the game and freed up space. You can repeat the same steps for any other titles you want to remove. If you ever change your mind, the title is ready to install again from the same spot.